Everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can make pink lemonade. And this is Antonella's kitchen. And today I'm going to show you how you can prepare pink lemonade. First, you need the next ingredients. You need perfected water. You need pink color. You need a cup. You need some cherries. You need pink sugar and the pink sugar you can do it at home. And you need a spoon. You need lemons, and that is all you need. First, you put some pink color in the cup with perfected water. Then you have to mix it. Then you have to put some sugar and mix it again. And then you have to put the lemon and squeeze it. And when you squeeze the lemon, after you have to mix it again, and you get the cup, and then you have to take a lemon and put it in the cup, like this. And then you have to put it in the sugar. And then it is, and you have to put the lemonade in the cup. And then you put some cherry. It's optional if you want to put a cherry, if not. And then it is. And you can share it with your family or with your friends. And you can drink it when it's a hot day. And you drink. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel of Mr. Toxqui channel. And then you put some likes to do more videos like this. Bye!